Hello, my name is Sergio Ammirata. I'm the chief scientist and founder of SipRadius. At SipRadius, we build secure software-defined systems. They simplify how live media flows or moves over IP for broadcasters, remote productions teams, and AV environment. We're getting into the AV arena, giving them tools that provide broadcast quality workflows. We simplify movement of video, audio, and data over these networks, all of it. Even the public internet, is not only local networks, but the public internet. And we provide live, ultra low latency, full encryption, and it's based on open standards. Everything within our infrastructure, our solution runs on our Coral OS. It's our custom operating system. We've been maintaining it for over 15 years. And it provides basically a complete secure environment end to end, because the solutions that we provide are all based in our products. The signal always travels within our OS, and we provide routing, timing, encryption, monitoring, everything you can think of on IP workflow, we provide. We even provide the communication mechanism in one unified platform. What we're doing now, having a teleconference you can have within our infrastructure as well. Well, there's a couple of things I want to mention. I'm going to mention about the biggest, most disruptive tech trends that I see. Twofold. The first one is AI and how AI is going to impact, video in general, whether it's by manipulating or creating content, or enhancing content. For example, it's being used for changing the background of a speaker to whatever you want to do with just a description. And we want to also apply it in the transport arena. We want to apply how AI is going to cure your link or adapt to changing link of a transmission over the internet to make sure it happens flawless. The second thing that I think it's another even bigger disruptive trend is the move towards private clouds. Broadcasters want infrastructure built specifically for live media, where they can control the environment, the costs, and most important, the security. When you use a cloud provider, the cloud was used to transport lots of things, to have APIs, to be many things, but it wasn't specifically designed for transport media. That has a lot of shortcomings, and the reality is that the cyber risk of being in those clouds has become so large, especially for media organizations, that they have to move to private clouds. They have no other choice at this point. The security gaps, they often hide in places where people stop checking. People think that the DRM of your video transmission or the encryption of your stream is all that you need to check. In reality, the breach in security is going to come from the places you have not checked, whether the devices where everything goes through are secure. You've seen recently in the news, there was a big hack on VMware. And it turns out, they were hacking the virtualizer and getting that way the data that was in the machines. So a similar thing happens with streaming media. Your video, now that you're in IP workflow, is going to go end to end, and it's having many hubs, routers, relays, media servers, cache agent servers. It could be tons of things, and people are not looking at the individual pieces. The OS that runs on all these pieces is a key component, and that's where we shine with our Coral OS. It was built for broadcast, it was built for security. So security by obscurity is a gamble. So open standards in this new private workflow, it's also key. We need to shy away from the private security models that nobody knows how they work, because we also know what the vulnerabilities and the holes are. So relying on open standards is key. If you can't see how it works, you cannot trust it because nobody has done a security audit on it. So private cloud built on open standards and transparent systems is becoming super critical for high-value live media workflows. And regarding the new and exciting products and launches that we're going to have at IBC, I want to talk about our map, the SipRadius map. It's a new platform that lets you build multi-viewers that you can stream anywhere. You can ingest feeds from virtually any source, REST, SDI, RTMP, SRT, even live phone captures. And you can then grab that and watch without a dedicated hardware. A web browser on any OS will let you monitor and view this multi-viewer. It's designed for flexibility. It gives you a gigantic 4K surface and multiple tile layouts. And it has a seamless integration into broadcast workflow. So when you combine it with our SipTV system, you will have access not only to the combined multi-viewer, but you can actually zoom in into any tile and play it separately with full HD resolution. This is part of our secure end-to-end infrastructure that gives you both a combined view of the streams and individual access. We will show in a live demonstration on how you can use this multi-viewer at IBC to create and monitor a remote production workflow. We are very excited to be at IBC. Looking forward to meeting everybody at the show and asking any questions about our product line and how we can help you fulfill any need for your IP workflows, private cloud, or anything IP related or video. Thank you.